Hey guys, Tyson here from Yodel. I'm here at 999 Automotive. And they're an awesome local mechanic and performance car shop that do some fantastic work. So let's go find out a bit more about 999 Automotive. 999 Automotive was established in 2003 with the goal of providing customers a one-stop place for all their vehicle needs. Their warehouse has over 2,000 performance products, and the mechanics are trained from standard mechanical repairs to performance modifications, including suspension and engine upgrades, whatever your custom requirements are. It's been an absolute pleasure being here. I've seen some pretty cool things. I'm a bit of a kid in a candy shop. So if you want to find 999 Automotive and many other quality local businesses, download Yodel from your device's app store or jump on yodelit.co to find out more.